Okay. You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm gonna use this knife because it's easier to get to. Isn't it? And what this time? This is the SOL Origin Survival Kit. Oh, I can do this. That's right. Maybe if I do this, because I could easily just go dent. And then, I don't know. Okay. Up top is the signal mirror. Not that big, but it's still good. With the instructions on it, how to use it. On the back, we have a compass, which I can't get out. That's great. So, button compass, it's a decent little button compass, I believe. Now, yeah, here is the striker thing. Look up, it is easy to get out. I cannot, Jesus, this is small as heck. So that's some good spark though. That's nice. Then we have is anyone to, oh wait, oh dude, that's right. I have to push this and then that. This is a small little knife, but it's really nice to use for tinder. It's one of these flint, oh jeez, I hate these flintlock things. Oh god, I hate these flintlocks. Really passion. And you know, comes with a flashlight, and yes, it does work. Sorry for, oh you gotta, yeah, that's right. And the whistle, I might just demonstrate it. Oh yeah, that's right, you gotta do this. I can see this as a use for me. Inside, we have the snare wire, Tinder Quick, which not using. I got my own Tinder. Small little thing of cordage. Fishing kit, which is nice to have. A lanyard, which I'm going to just go ahead and just get out. The tinfoil. And 62 life-saving tools and techniques that actually are unique to this kit. So, it's I heard. Okay, I haven't washed this. Oh, jeez, how am I going to get this? Oh, God. So, yeah. I am actually very happy with it. Where did the... Oh, geez, where'd it go? Oh, where'd the lanyard thing go? Okay, yeah, you have to... Oh, God, how do I do this? Oh, Jesus. Wait. Okay, I think you do this. Jeez. What is it like this? I have no freaking clue. Oh, probably this way. This... I don't know. It's going to be used in my pocket either way. I don't need the Tinder Quick because I don't need it. I have my own Tinder. Unless you, oh God, you don't, do you? Okay. So how do you do this? It's gonna be this way though. I've never used one of these type of lanyards before, so yeah. I think this way. Honestly, it's pretty decent for the price. Yeah. I don't know how to do it. Screw it. Anyway, it's pretty decent for the price. No. That's good. This thing has a... You have to push it up to even get it out. That's good. I can see myself using the flashlight. It's a pretty decent little flashlight. Not the best, but it's pretty good. And it also comes with instructions of how you put it in, back in. If you don't know, it's like that. Pretty nice. Okay, I think. Anyway, I've been Joe Kids in movie reviews and survival, and I'm out.